Just 1 minute, guys. Right.
Hello, sir.
Yes, ma, tell me.
Sir, yesterday I didn't attend the class. Could you show me the
I
notes?
will, yeah,
Please.
1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay. Yeah,
Sir,
just note.
sorry, sir. I was also not there. Can you please?
Yeah, note down. So yesterday we talked about reprinting of the checks. Okay. Reprinting of checks we talked about. So first we talked about manual, no? Manual printing of the checks, normal manual, F-58, one new T code I introduced. Then manual reprinting of the checks, I discussed this. Then we went into reprinting of the checks issued through AP. So how we reprint? In FEZT we have this option. Okay, note down, I'll give you time. Take a picture of it. Okay, so this is the topic is this one, reprinting of checks. Okay, so first I discussed manual reprint. Okay, note down this. Take the picture of this. Yeah. Now today we are going to talk about reallocation. Reallocation. So what is this reallocation is? This is the option that we have in /n. This is /n F110. Okay, so now when I go to the proposal, when I open the proposal, when I click on this line item, here one option will come, reallocate. Okay, here because this is already completed, it will not come. Okay, so do we have any open items?
No, sir.
Yeah. My company code is so ZAPL. No? Okay. Right, let me post one invoice now. FG60. Okay, now you give the vendor number 79. Huh? Okay, give the date, today's date. Then amount how much? Say 55,000. Expense account is 4,81,000. Put star here. Okay, so now I have posted this. So if I go to FPL1N, you can see one open item is there. I get the yellow symbol. Correct. Bell symbol. This I have to pay today. Okay, now. Now I am going to F110. So I am going to do the run today. Now parameter I am giving. Payment method A. Next run date 25th. Okay. Vendor number 79. Additional log, you know, na due date check, payment method, line items. Vendor number 79. Print out data medium variant, you give the same variant.
Here for variant we have to remove that reprint options.
Already removed, no?
Yeah. I'm
Yes,
asking.
we have to remove, yes. Otherwise it will keep on reprinting, no? Or if the check is already reprinted, it will say it is reprinted. Why you are asking me again, no?
Yes, sir.
Correct? Yeah. So remove that and save it. Correct. Okay, now done. Okay, parameters have been entered. Then schedule proposal. Start immediately, create payment medium, press enter. No? Press enter. Keep on pressing enter. Proposal has been created. Okay, edit proposal. Click on edit proposal. You can see. Got it? This is it. So if I click on the line item, if I click on this line item, one option is coming. You see this one I'm talking. Can you see? Okay, no. So what is this reallocate option, this button? Okay. So reallocate option is available. Reallocate option is available in app run. In app run 2. For what? For what it is available? To change the what it will say, you see now when I click on this reallocate, it will allow me to change the payment method or house bank. Correct? Yeah. So is used to change the payment method. Is used to change the payment method or house bank after a proposal has been house bank for an item in proposal. For an item in proposal. That is the answer. See, when you are running the proposal, when you are giving proposal, yeah, you run for a payment term, right? Payment method. Correct or not? You give the parameters, na?
Yes, sir.
In the parameters, you give the payment method. Yes,
Yes.
you give. And then
Check.
in the house bank also we give, na? Check bank and all, it will pick up, na? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So house bank also will be picked up automatically through the variant. But after, based on this only, it will create the proposal, right? Yeah. But after creating the proposal, now I want to say, no, I don't want to use check method. I want to use online transfer for this item. I can do that. So proposal has been created for A method, check method. But I want to use B method for one item. There are 1,000 items. From that one item, I want to do cash payment. Can I do? Yes. You got it? That is reallocation. So reallocation is used to change the payment method or house bank after a proposal has been created. Okay? Right. Correct now. See, I did a payment run. In that 1,000 items it picked up. But that payment run was for check method. That guy says, no, check I don't want. I want you to pay immediately. So I'm changing the payment method for it or bank for it. I can do. That is reallocation. But generally you see, when you work in real time, you will see people misusing this. You will see end users misusing this a lot. Why and how they misuse is, suppose one app run is there, it is not able to pick the method. The payment error is coming. Pick the payment method. You are getting error in the proposal. What error we are getting? No valid payment method. No valid payment method found. So what they do? Manually they will help. So they will use reallocate. So previously no payment method is there. Now they give manually payment method A. They can give. So temporarily they can use this reallocate to support the system. Got it? So actually the main purpose of reallocate is not this. But this is used as a workaround solution. Means what? Now, see, suppose you are getting error in app, and the customer and the client wants to do the payments, immediately, urgency. But your app run is not working, there is some error coming up. You need time to resolve that error. By that time, the client does not want to wait. He wants to make the payments. So what you can tell? You can tell them to reallocate option. So you manually reallocate. Each item you click, reallocate, give the payment method. Correct. So reallocate also can be used. Okay, write down like this. Reallocate option option can also be used as a workaround solution when APP is not able to pick the payment method or house bank automatically. Correct? But this is not a permanent solution, yeah? You have to solve the main problem. Okay, note on this. So you will see many users when they are stuck somewhere, if they are getting error, they will click on this reallocate. But that is lot of hard work, na? If there are 100 items in the proposal, 100 times they have to do reallocate. Understand the point? Yeah?
Yes.
Good, no doubt. Okay, I will show reallocate and show you, okay? No doubt. Workaround solution means what? Something alternative. Kada. Workaround means something else I use. Correct. Workaround solution. So if I have to go to, if I have to go to my office, no, my car is not working. Correct. What I'll do? Alternate solution. I book a taxi or a cab, or I go by something alternative. No? That is workaround solution. Some other alternative. Okay, noted this.
Sir, I have one doubt.
Yes, tell me.
If the reallocation option, it happens just because APP is not able to pick the payment. Why can't they
No, it is
initiate?
there. No. Reallocate option is there available. Even if it is picking also, you want to change the method in the last minute, na? You can use it. That is the main purpose actually. Okay?
Yes.
Yes, here, first one. So reallocate option, it will be there. Even if the APP is able to pick also, last minute you want to change the method, you can change. When APP is not picking, then it can use as a completely blank is there. I can give no
Yeah.
blank. Yeah.
So will it apply for all the proposals? Like
You all
if
the
there are-
lines in the proposal, correct?
Okay.
You are talking about. In the proposal, there are 100 lines. Every line you have to click and give. You cannot apply a method for reallocate for all items. One go you cannot do. Is that clear?
Yes.
So this is not a permanent solution. This is only temporary. Na? You need to make the payments urgently, but APP not working. You can use reallocate, click and do. Na? At least temporarily it will solve the problem, right?
Hello, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, we are doing everything in ECC right now.
Yeah, we are doing first we will become comfortable with ECC. Then we will move to S4. First we need to know now what is there. See, I want to compare with S4, but what is there in ECC if I don't know, how can I compare? I
Okay.
cannot. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So let us go, guys. So go to here, reallocate. Now I can change the method now. I can change other method. Now I have only one method. If I have B method, C method, A, D method, I can use. No? That is payment method I can change. Or bank account. I want to use some other SBI bank. I can use. I have only one bank. If I have multiple banks, I can use. Correct? That is the reallocation. You can change. So once this proposal is already created, This proposal is created for which method? Let me show you. Edit proposal, display proposal log. Proposal log. This proposal is created for which method?
A payment method is
A
submitted.
method. A method. Which bank? HDFC. So everything has been created for A method and HDFC. But in the last minute you are saying, no, I want to do some other method. I want to use some other bank. Then you can use reallocate option. Is that clear? Good. Or even if it is not picking also, you can use reallocate as a workaround solution. Clear? Good. But this is not a permanent solution. You need to find out why APP is not working and you have to resolve that problem. Okay? Good. Okay, now. Next one is we have to talk about the new method now. Na? Okay, till now which method we were discussing, guys?
Check.
We are discussing about check method. Na?
Yes.
Yeah. Now we will discuss about the bank transfer. Bank transfer. Yeah, online. Bank transfer. Online payment. Yeah, we call it as a DME. DME means data medium exchange. Okay, method. DME method. So in bank transfer, we exchange the data with the bank. That's why we call it as a DME. Data medium exchange. Okay, right. So I will tell you how it happens. See, first what we do. So there are three options here. First one is manual. Second one is semi-automated. Third one is fully automated. Fully automated. Like that, we have some options. Okay. Manual means what? Manual means what? Okay, let's first let me explain manual. So first, manual. So this is our company, no? ZAPL company. Okay. ZAPL company. I have. Now in that I have SAP system. Okay. In that SAP system, I do APP run. Correct. F110. Then what I do? After I do the APP run, what I do? I extract the data. So I will do payments document. Whatever payments I have done, that payments document file I will create. Okay. This file we will send to bank. Got it? Right. Send it to bank, authorizing the bank to make the payments on our behalf. Is that clear? Right. So first we run the APP. After doing the run, whatever payments we have done in the APP run today, that file I will extract, create that file, send that file to the bank. Then based on that file, bank will do the transfers on our behalf. Okay, right. See, you see, if I do the payment run in APP system, payments are not done. Na? See, this is in our accounting system. In SAP system, I am doing the run. That doesn't mean that actual money has gone out from my bank account, right? Correct or not? My
Yes.
actual bank account is this one. Na? You see, just 1 minute. Here FI12. So here, this is my, if you go here, this is my bank SAP GL account number. Na? This is my original bank account number, right? So the money will go out. Is it enough if I just, it goes out from here? Or it should go from
No,
here also?
it should go from bank account, not from GL.
This is original transfer, na?
Yes.
This is just our SAP system account, na? This is just SAP system account, right?
Accounting.
So what I do, first I do APP run, then I will take the clearing documents data from that APP, create a file, send the file to the bank, authorizing the bank to make the payments, then bank will do bulk transfers. You understand? See, you know how the salary payments happen in the company, guys? Salary payments, will the company transfer one person internet banking,
Neft.
select that guy? Will they do like that, or bank will do the bulk transfer?
They'll send us.
Transfer.
They'll send the
Same way
data
here
to the client.
also, for vendor payments, bank will support us. Is that clear? Good. Okay, so I will show you how we will do. So after doing the APP run, I will go to FPL1N. I will go there. No, my run is over, no? So where I will be, it will all be in the cleared items, right? Correct or not? So when I do
Yes.
the payment run in APP, the items will be in cleared items, no? Yeah. So I will execute that. And from here, I will put a filter. What is that? Document type. What is APP document type?
Twindy.
ZP.
ZP, no? ZP. So I will put ZP document, press enter, and I will get the file. Now see, all these payments have been done through APP. So this file, what I will do, I will extract from SAP. Yeah? So what I will do, list, export, right, as a local file. Okay. Then I will click on this. Okay, you want a unconverted spreadsheet, Excel, what you want, you can select here. Press enter, and it will ask the name. This is my, okay, I will save it on my desktop. I will save. File name I will give as, what is my file name? ZAPL APP. Okay, save. So here you see generate. So the same information will come onto my system now. Where is that one? ZAPL, this. Can you see? Like, so this file I will share with the bank. So which vendor, what address, everything will come here. So based on this, bank will do the transfers on our behalf. Is that clear? Good. So everybody, FBL1N. No, it will be there. Why it will come up? I only took the data, I copied from here. I will, why it will get cleared? It will be there, no? No. See here, when I am putting this file, okay, I understood what is your problem. So when I execute, na, I put a filter na here. Okay, what filter I am putting? Document type filter I am putting. Also, I can put a document date, na.
So,
Then I can give document date to today's date, right? Got it? Then only 2 days run it will show, na. Got it? Yeah, I can put multiple filters here. Okay, so like that, only APP run that is completed today only it will show. Is it clear? Yeah.
Sir, whatever the data you have saved on the desktop, there we can able to see only vendor number and document number, clearing document number only. Sir, is there there is no bank account details of the vendor, sir? Then how can the bank send?
No. Here we have not maintained. Once we maintain, we can fill also. So here in vendor master, we did not give bank account details. Here. Where is that? Payment transactions, I think. Here.
Okay,
Right.
so we
Once
maintain this also.
we did not maintain bank details of the vendor. If you maintain, it will come there.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Right. So clear, everybody? So we will provide this information to the bank. Based on this information, bank will do the transfers on our behalf. This is manual process. You understood? Okay. So first what I do APP run in our company, in our SAP system. I will do the run. After I do the run, the clearing documents, today's run, it will show whatever payments I have done in today's run. ZP documents it will create. So I will go FBL1N, cleared documents, put a filter, document type, document dates I will put, or document number range I can give. Something I will take the data from FBL1N, cleared items. That data I will create a file, send to the bank. Then bank will do the transfers on our behalf. That's how the payments will happen. Okay, good. That is manual process. Correct? Everybody is clear on the manual process?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Got it.
Yes, sir.
Now I will discuss the automated, fully automated. Fully automated. Okay, first let me discuss fully automated. So fully automated means what? Same setup, but here what will happen is here, here. Now we have fully automated. So this is our company. Now here we have our bank is there. Opposite side we have a bank. Okay, opposite side we have our bank is there. Which bank? Say HDFC bank. Correct? Now bank will use some IT system, no? Correct or not? Are they writing in the books? Really?
No, sir,
They using software or not?
yes, sir, they will use software.
Okay, so which software they will use? Anything. You know, some software they are using, some IT system they have. Okay, what we will do now in fully automated, we will develop an interface here. Interface means what? Interface means what?
Connection.
Connecting one system to
Another system.
another system. Correct. So our SAP system and bank IT system we will connect. So then what will happen? Whenever I do APP run, right? Whenever I do APP run and I do some payments in APP, in my SAP system, the data will automatically pass on to bank IT system. So auto approvals will be there. Auto access will be there. So whenever I just do the APP run, the payments information will automatically flow to the bank. And bank will do the transfers. You understand? So when this is possible, when you develop that interface with the bank IT system. Correct? So here there are some consultants, we call them as PI. PI means what? Process interface consultants. These people will come into picture. So they will study the bank IT system. Na? See, some banks, they are old banks, Allahabad Bank, old IT software, lot of restrictions are there. You cannot connect. The bank system will not permit. Correct or not? So sometimes it is not possible to develop the interface. Correct? So depends on what software the bank is running. Depends on whether interface can be developed or not. Depends on the management of our company, whether we are okay for this interface. Correct? So sometimes interface is possible, but management may say, no, we don't want such level of automation, such auto approvals. Whenever I run, money will get deducted, means it's risky, na? So it depends on the risk appetite of the management also. Correct. Sometimes PI people may say possible, but management may say no, we don't want it. Sometimes management may say we want it, but PI say not possible because bank is outdated. Software we cannot connect. So it's only when the bank software permits, only when management risk appetite is there, they want to automate things, then this total full automation will come into picture. Wherein whenever you just do the APP run, the payments information will automatically flow to the bank. Bank will do the auto transfers. Finish. Is it clear? Yeah. So this is the full automation level.
Sir, in the real-time FT companies, sir, how they are doing, sir, in the manually or fully automated, or else it depends, sir.
There is one more option, semi-automated. Correct?
Okay.
So some companies, see, depends on the management. There are some companies still in manual process. They don't want the things to happen. They want the things to happen in old way only. Every time file should come to their table. Correct? The CFO should approve it. Check manually. then approve it, then that file will go to bank. Correct? Still, companies are there. I don't want to name them. I know few companies, still they are following manual process.
Okay.
Correct? Yeah. So automation means full automation, auto approvals. Correct. So here, what will happen is this APP run, APP payment run is there, no? Payment run, it will be very restricted. Anybody cannot do the APP run there. Only senior guy, authorized guy will be given the APP run access. Because when you do the run, it means money will go, no? That's why they will have control on the APP run access. Proposal anybody can create. Proposal access they give. Edit proposal access they give. But payment run in the APP payment run is there. That access will not be given. Is that clear? So only the authorized person who will, the senior guy, he will have the payment run access. Whenever he does the payment run, the file will go to the bank automatically. Okay? Good. Yeah, this is fully automated. So here who will work? PI consultants will work. Basis people will work. Why basis people? Because they have to give approvals, no? Give approvals to access,
Yes.
to take the data,
Yes, sir. Access
to
law.
take the data, no? To take the data out of SAP system automatically. Understand? Correct? Yeah. Then ABAPers will work. Why ABAPers will work? The data format, no? File format, it should match. Then only a bank system will approve, right? So it should be in the format that is acceptable to bank IT system, no? So the data that we are giving, the file format should match to their requirement, right? Yeah. So the ABAPers will work on the file format. Then we also will work. Where we will work FICO, creation of payment method, correct? Creation of payment method and APP configurations for the new method. You understood? For the payment method, for the payment. Okay, so everybody, this is like all of us have to work together. Okay, so this is fully automated. So on fully automated, who will work? AI people will work, basis people will work, ABAPers will work, we also will work. We all of us work together to make it happen. Right? PI will work on the development of the interface, connecting one software to another software. Basis people will work on providing the access to take the data out of SAP. ABAPer will work on the file format, matching. It should be an acceptable format to the bank. We will work on the configuration of the new payment method. Correct? Okay. So this is fully automation. Okay. Now this I cannot show you. Can I show you in the classes this one? No, I cannot talk to a bank. No? Yeah, can I talk to a bank? Please, I am taking SAP classes. Please provide access to your IT system so that we can build a connection to your fake account. Can I do that? Not possible. So practically, this happens only in real time. I cannot show you this. Not possible. There is one more option is there. That is a semi-automated. That we can do. Okay. Okay. So now you note down first. Manual you noted, all of you. Manual you noted. You noted manual. This is manual process, no? Okay. Sent to the bank manually. Okay, note down this. Yes, Malakya, yes. I have unmuted.
Scroll up this.
Scroll up.
Yes.
Up or down?
No, no, sir.
Reallocate you want?
No, sir.
Reallocate?
No.
Okay. So semi-automated I will discuss last.
Okay.
First you note down the fully automated.
Yes.
Note down this.
Hi sir.
Yes, tell me.
Done.
Before yesterday I asked one question about down payment clearing document block. Is there any answer for that?
Block, yeah, so generally deletion blocks I will cover in the last. Why? Because what happens is if I tell them now, deletions they will do for other people, blocks they will put for other people. Correct. So that's why the blocks and deletions will come in the last. Okay.
Sir, can't we protect our options to delete from others?
No, here it is full access, na? It is full access, right? All of you have full access. When you are learning, there are no restrictions here. We have full access for everybody. Now all of you are doing. Can you not access your other classmate details? Yes, you can access. So that is where the problems will come. Deletions. It will become a playground. Then people will start playing with other people's data. That's why I avoid things. Okay, we will cover. Don't worry.
Yes, sir. In the today morning also when I'm practicing, when I'm creating a vendor invoice in the basic zero, when I'm assigning expensive account, it's saying that no account assigned something. So when I Google it and someone clicked on the document splitting, someone is enabled.
Exactly. Correct. Correct.
So when I went to SPRO, then I unclicked, then I'm able to process.
See, that's those things. If imagine if I tell them delete and all, then yesterday you did something. Today morning you come.
Yeah.
It's gone. Correct. That's why I avoid talking about blocks, deletes. Last I will discuss. Okay. Don't worry.
Sir,
Now vendor blocking is there. You can block. Now what they will do, they will block whatever vendor is there. Now put a block there. This guy comes in the morning, he wants to do practice. He doesn't understand why APP not working. Somebody put block on his vendor. No? He doesn't know. Those things will happen. So we will not better avoid that for now. Okay. Yeah.
sir, due
Yes.
to settings, I missed 5 to 10 minutes in between, sir. After
Okay.
the I did not see it in SAP system. I
After
just reallocation topic, I just heard it in the notepad.
in the system you just see here in F110 in just we reallocate here like this. We go to proposal, press enter, you click on this item, and then you reallocate this. You can give a new method and new house bank here. You can do that. Okay, that is reallocate. Okay, yeah.
Yes.
So after creating the proposal, you can reallocate. Okay. Yeah.
Yes.
Sir,
Yes.
Bank transfers.
yesterday when I was doing this APP with the payment terms, I entered all the details correctly, but then while doing that edit proposal, I am getting an error as the company is not present in the proposal. Even though after giving all the details correctly, it is not picking up.
Okay. So previously, have you done the run?
Yes, sir, I did it.
Previously, there was no problem. Now it is not picking up.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, it could be because of the run rate also. Because if she is doing with the payment terms, definitely it should be after 10 days only.
Yeah. Which payment term you are using, ma?
0050.
So just to check, na, you use 10 days after date. Next run date you give
Next
after
run date.
10 days.
Sir, for yesterday at midnight, 2 o'clock, something I was practicing, sir. So it's after 12, no? Is there any clash there? Like yesterday it was 21st and today midnight 22nd, right? Will that be a clash?
No, that's not the main problem. The problem is you are this one.
Okay.
This next run date give after 10 days and see whether it is picking or not.
I did like that also, sir.
It's not picking up. Okay.
I'll
We
try.
need to put it on Telegram. Let's see.
Sir, and one more doubt is yesterday when I was doing this reprinting checks issued after the payment run, sir, in FPL1N, will that open item will get cleared, right?
You are talking about advance.
No, sir, reprinting check issued.
Reprinting. Okay, that is over. That is cleared. After cleared only you print the check, na?
So even after that step, I can see that in FPL1N with the clearing document. It still appeared in FPL1N.
See, in FPL1N it will appear, but not in open items. It will appear in the cleared items. Correct. So after payment, it will not be in open. It will be in cleared. Na? Here you can see. Check now whether you are ticking this one or this one or this one.
Okay.
If you are in open means only open will come. If you selected this, then cleared items also it will show. No? Here you see. It will show me all items. You
All
see.
items.
You see red color and green color. Can you see?
Yesterday I saw it with red color only, sir.
So after completing the payment run,
Yes, sir. After completing the payment run and system services output control also I did, sir.
see here after this payment run is over, it should not be in red color. It should be in the green color. And one more major problem can be, suppose if I see, if so many things here, that is the problem. Suppose if I see, if I change the date, if I change 20, on 20 date it will be in red only.
Okay.
You understand, ma? I am seeing the position 2 days back. 2 days back position it will be red only, na? Open only, right? So when you check this date now, what date you are giving? I am looking, I should look today's date.
Yes, yes.
Then it will be in green color. You understand? No?
Okay, sir, done.
This date is also important. What position when you are seeing today, yesterday or day before yesterday? When? Okay? Open at key date.
Okay, sir, thank you, sir.
Okay, okay. Right, so now, okay, so manual we discussed, fully automated we discussed, no? Good. Okay, now next semi-automated. Semi-automated is slightly in the middle. It is not manual, it is not automated, no? It is in the middle. So here I will take this like this. So let me take it here. Let me take it here. Let me take it here. Yeah. Okay. So now here I will not develop this interface. Right? I will not develop this. I will keep them separate. But what will happen is, so when I do semi-automated process, what will happen is a file containing, correct? A file containing payments data, yeah, will be automatically created. Whenever I do the payment run, a file containing app run data, correct? Payment run data will be automatically created. Automatically created and stored in a folder. Okay, we create one folder, in that it will be stored. So then what the user will do? User will upload this file to the web link. No? So whatever no, they will provide, web link provided by the bank. You understand? So bank will provide one web link where he will go, he will select this file, upload. Got it? That is the semi-automated. So here the systems are not getting connected, user not working manually, file is getting created. He will just have to select the file, upload the web link provided by the bank. This is semi-automated.
So there is only one difference between the manual and semi-automated. In the manual, they send to manually. In the semi-automated, only the folder uploading.
The manual, you have to go to FBL1N. You have to select, put a filter, take the data, export, and save it as a file. It is manually. Here, whenever you do app run, a file containing app data, for that data, automatically file will come out. And it will store in a whatever folder you give in app, in that folder it will get stored. Okay? Right. So on my desktop or somewhere, I will create a folder here. So the app run data will automatically come out of app. This data will come out of app, store on my desktop automatically. Okay. So the system will send the app run data out of SAP system automatically. Got it?
Yes, got it.
So user does not have to manually go to FBL1 and put a filter there, take the data, bring it, save it as a file, and again, all that is not required. Okay? A file containing payments information, app run data will be automatically created and stored in a folder. So user, what he will do, simply select that file, upload, finish. Then bank will get to know about this data. So that's why we call this as a DME, data medium exchange. We are exchanging the data with the bank. Why? To make the payments happen. We have to, user will have to know, will upload, no? If he is not uploading, will bank know? It will not. That is no need to upload. If you run, automatically they will get the information. That is fully automatic.
Sir, in the manual process also, is this payment run data file created and sent to the bank through mail?
You can send through mail, you can send manually, physically.
No,
Anything is okay. You can
manual,
upload also, no problem.
In the manual process, I'm asking, sir.
Yeah, manual. How you will send to the bank? You can send manually, physically you can send, stamp it and send, print, stamp and send.
Here also we can do that payment data file in the system and we can send it to email.
This file, yeah, you can send. If his bank is accepting email copy, you can send.
But
I mean,
the difference between those steps, sir, we are not going to FBL1 and we are manually filtering all those things. In the semi-automated, directly we are generating a file, we are uploading in the web link.
Correct. Yes. Yes, ma, your doubt is clear?
No, sir. Is that automated payment run data created and sent through email and ask?
This one, you are talking manually, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, yeah. See, all depends what bank will accept. It's not about us. It's about the bank, what the bank will accept, right? So the bank is okay.
Actually, when I was working in the previous company, when we were doing the payments, after all the payments were uploaded, then we used to run some file in Notepad that used to be in a format as per
bank format, correct.
Yeah. So that file we used to send it through email after the approval.
Exactly.
That after we get approvals for that invoices, then we send it physically those invoices to bank, which
physically
are approved. Yeah, those invoices, because for them to confirm with the amounts. Physically and manually, we'll give that format file through email to the bank. So this process is called manual or semi.
No, you are doing double check there. You are sending, when you are sending email copy, why you have to share again manual 2 times?
I will answer for this, sir. She is sharing to the approvers. Same company only. She is sharing to the approvers, not to the bank. So approver will review the amount. What
That is
that's
what.
That's
Bank. Invoice approval should happen in our company, na?
Authorization in bank, sir. She is telling. So to do authorization in bank, they required invoice copy amount and the bank upload amount. So they will match together and they will approve it.
Correct.
To avoid the fraudulence.
Yeah, correct. So basically, we have to share that information to the bank. Na? How we are sharing is the question. We can share physically, manually. You can send email copy. Depends, no? File format. End of the day, file format should match, no? What they are asking, what details they are asking, we should be able to provide.
So this is called manual process or semi?
Manual only. What you are discussing is manual. File you are creating manually, na? You created, na? Physically, manually you created, right?
Yes.
That is manual. Okay. Yeah.
Yes.
But in semi-automated, what will come out? When I run, na, the data will come out automatically.
Yes.
I will show you this process. Okay. So I will show you semi-automated. Manual I showed, na?
Yes.
Semi-automated I will show you.
Manual.
Manual, shall I go up?
Yes.
Okay.
No, in system.
Yeah, manual in system. Manual in system, what we did? Same what you are doing. Na? You are going to FBL1 and you are looking at the clearing documents. And then now I don't have that much data. So what I will do, I will put the filter here. I'll take the document type, dates, whatever I want. I put the filters on and I create that file. Okay. Yeah. Then I will, this file I will send to the bank, right? Yeah. Okay. So that, so first here proposal, see here in our thing, first proposal level approval will be done. One proposal level approval, one payments level approval. Two approvals are there. Good. Okay, guys. Thank you. Then we will meet tomorrow. Tomorrow we will talk about semi-automated process. Okay. So remember this. Fully automated we cannot discuss. I cannot show you. Manual I showed you. Semi-automated I will show you. So in semi-automated also what you need to understand is all these people will work. In semi-automated also all these people will be coming into picture. Why? Because if I have to take the data out of SAP system, then I need basis people approval. Na? Now if file format should be matching to the bank format, then means ABAP should be coming in. Payment method creation, we are also there. Any process interface connection issue is there, then PI people will work. So all of us again we will work on this. So it's not like one person job, na? We do everything. No, we will have all of us. Okay. Okay. So I will discuss this tomorrow. I will discuss the semi-automated process. Okay. Yeah. Okay, guys. So thank you for joining today. We will meet tomorrow. Yeah. Thank you, guys. Yeah.
Thank you. Sir. Thank you.
Yeah, bye, sir.
Thank you.